If you want to uninstall Adobe Illustrator, then you are at the right video. Let's get started. Click Start and type Control Panel. As you can see, Control Panel option appear. Click here, Control Panel. That's it. Yes, now you can click on Uninstall. Yeah, here you can see Adobe Illustrator option. Select and choose here Uninstall. You can click Uninstall button to uninstall this software. As I am using this software now, so I cannot uninstall this. Another option is go to setting here. Now go to apps. Here you can see Adobe Illustrator. Here is, as you can see, here is Adobe Illustrator. When I select any software, uninstall option appear. Just click this button and the process will start.